Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have an M&M bar mukbang. So these are brand new in Britain, and you have them in America. And I'll just show you up close. So these are the bars, if you can see there. So that's the peanut one. I've actually got my autofocus on and it's enabled. So finally kind of figured out how to use it. That's the hazelnut one, and this says it's new. Well, they're all new, but you've had these for a while in America, but we've just had them. We've just got them in England. How cool. That's the chocolate one, and this is the crispy one as well. So guys, it's gonna be a taste test and mukbang. I'm gonna get into it. I'm really excited. So let's try the first one. Let's try the peanut. This is wow, so this is how the bar looks. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it. That's so cool. So it's got the M&M logo on there. That's so cool. And then it's got the M&M guy there. I don't know what he's called. So let's try it, guys. Let's try and get a bit off. Oh, it's really crumbly. Oh. Hold on. Oh yeah. This is amazing, guys. This is the peanut one. Kind of reminds me of it's really hard to break, actually. Kind of reminds me of, can you see all the peanut bits? It reminds me of the it's peanut butter, isn't it? Yeah, it reminds me of like an Oreo, not an Oreo. What's the thing with the peanut butter? A Reese's cup. Wow, that's so cool. That's a little man there. I don't know what he's called, actually. How exciting are these, guys? I didn't realise we have them in England. I've got some water as well. So it's got all the M&Ms in there, all hidden. But it's kind of melting. Amazing. Sorry guys, someone called me there. I always get a phone call when I'm filming. So annoying. The next one is hazelnut M&M bar. I think they all kind of look the same with the design. I know they don't actually. I've just realised each bar has got a different character. So I don't know what he is called. I don't want to have a clue, to be honest. Let's open this hazelnut one. I'm excited for this one. It's so difficult to break off though. So you can see all the hazelnuts. Can you see there? That's nice. I love the chocolate. So good. I don't know what chocolate this is though, guys. I don't know who makes it. You know, M&M's. Is it Nestle? No. I'm one of these people that could eat a whole bar of chocolate in one sitting. Honestly. That's nice. I prefer the peanut one to that one. But that's good. Lighting again. I think hazelnut has been a new flavour in England for a while now. So the chocolate one, what's this one? Wrigley's confectionery. So it's Wrigley's, so it's the chewing gum, is it? So let's have a taste of this one. It's so hard to take off, to break off. And this one has got the original Smarties in it. Can you see there? Yeah. The chocolate is so creamy. Oh, it's incredible. I like that one. I do think this one's heavier though. It's got a lot of chocolate in it. That's okay. And let's try the last one, the crispy. I think this might be my favourite, to be honest, guys. Oh, look at that. Look at the back. So I know in America, guys, you lot... Oh, God, I've broken a massive bit off here. I don't want this much. I know in America, you don't have... our kind of chocolate... big chocolate brand is Cadbury's. I think you've got Hershey's, don't you? But I've heard Hershey's chocolate isn't that great. So please sound off below. Favourite. It's got the mini chocolate M&M's and the Rice Krispies underneath. That is good, guys. Amazing. I'm going to go into a coma now though, guys. Oh. Why does chocolate make you so thirsty? So, not chocolate. Yeah, it does, and it makes you so thirsty, and it just makes you want to drink water. So, guys, 4 bars here. The number 1 would be the peanut. Number 2 is the... No, it's not. Which one is this one? Crispy one is that one. Peanut is that. I can't even speak. The first one would be the crispy one. The second one is the peanut. Then it would be hazelnut, and then it would be the original. So, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this kind of mukbang taste test. It's been amazing. I'm now going to have literally sugar coma now. and collapse. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please let me know what you think of the quality. I'm so happy I've kind of upped my YouTube game now with this amazing quality. And I'm really going to be playing around with the autofocus. I think it's so cool. Let's see if it'll focus on my nails. I think it's amazing. I'm so happy. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, guys.